Good morning. Over the last couple of sessions, the Indian markets have been trading in a slightly range-bound region. Although the markets are ending positively with the marginal gains, the Nifty has not been able to break any major barrier or any sides. Yesterday, the Indian markets closed on a marginally positive note, with the mid-cap indices being slightly better performance than the benchmark Sensex. Consumer durables were the major sectorial gainers of the day, which surged in excess of over 3%, while the metal and mining pack were the major loser of the day, which fell in excess of over 1.75%. The deallocation planned by the government for the allotted coal blocks was one of the major reasons for the downfall of the metal and mining stocks. Index majors such as Tata Steel, Sesa Sterlite, and NDC fell in excess of over 2.5% yesterday. Cement was another positive sector that has developed some gains over the last couple of trading sessions, with the frontline counters such as Ultratech, ACC, and Ambuja gaining 1 to 2% every day. The US markets yesterday ended on a marginally positive note. This was led by on account of two sets of different data that were released yesterday. On one side, the US home sales showed some positive improvement, while on the other side, the consumer confidence fell for the month of February. This prompted for a mixed reaction among the US markets. Yesterday, Ranbaxy has suspended shipments to the other key markets as such as Europe and India on account of the ban by US on its two Taunsa and Devas plants. Ranbaxy is trying to shop the shipments as drug regulators across other developed and emerging markets have decided to study the US FDA ban and then come out with its own set of results. The Asian markets are trading in a relatively mixed zone in the early morning trade, with the Singapore Nifty being marginally down by 5 points in the early morning trade. Today is the expiry of the February series, and the Indian markets are expected to be positive for today's session. Major resistance and support levels for Sensex comes around the level of 20920 and 20783 levels, while major resistance and support for Nifty comes around the level of 6246 and 6201 levels. Thank you very much and happy investing.